at Alton Towers and we're going to show you everything in the Alton Towers Hotel. Back at Towers Ever, aren't we?
We are.
And we're going to show you a bit of a different one. We've done it for Splash Landing, so we're going to show you everything in the Alton Towers Hotel.
Oh,
The
I
Grand...
love
I can't say that word. Grand Resistant. The best one.
Yeah.
The best hotel. And usually, one of our favourite things is Mick. Just
He's
here.
over there.
He's over there. We won't get him on camera.
No, we won't.
No.
He is fantastic. He greets all the guests and everything.
Yeah, he does all the interactions and things here, doesn't he?
Make sure that you've got all your questions answered.
Everything you need and stuff, doesn't he? He does like a donut as well.
He does, and a cake.
And the cake, so you've got a spare one. Mick will have that off your hands. This is the reception, would you say?
Yeah.
Yeah, and
reception.
You can check in over there, you can use your self-scans, or you can just talk to the person there.
Yeah, and if you need like anything, any extras or anything, if you go and speak to them, then they'll sort it out for you. But a new thing is you can text them as well.
Yeah, so if you check out our latest room tour room of the Explorer room, you can now text. So that's really good, isn't it, when you're in the rooms? And if you did want to check out some of the rooms of the hotels, we've done a few videos, guys, so make sure you have a look. But we have got something here, Em.
Yeah.
So we have a look. Alton Towers Hotel Shop have...
Oh, the Emporium.
The Emporium? Like Disney Emporium?
Disney Emporium.
Oh, we got some discounts here, Ev. 30% off.
Nice.
What's 12
I've
quid?
seen these for ages.
I know, they're pretty cool, aren't they? All the way around.
Bubbly. I don't want to make a mess.
Cards. I didn't know they did Alton Towers playing cards.
That's cool. They've
Colouring
got colouring
books.
books.
Some drink things. I like to see the same offers are still on in the hotel as well.
Yeah,
We like this monkey as well, don't we?
we do.
Pretty cool monkey. We've got the bear.
one.
We've got one of them. They're cool. We just want the big one now, don't we?
Yeah.
Oh, what are these?
That's cute.
Oh yeah, I didn't
These
notice
are
them.
warmies.
Warmies. So these are about £20, it says there. We think you get discount in here.
Yeah,
We did
you
last
do.
time we
I
bought something.
did, for the postcards for the Nemesis VIP event.
You did, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh, Smiley Bear was there. Oh, we like this, don't we?
I love the travel mug.
But I do like how you can come in, if you've missed something in the park that day, there is a small variety in here of different things. Curse cards, we like them as well. Okay, 13 mugs. She's there. I forgot her name, I can't remember. I think they give her one.
Probably. Oh,
A couple of the resins as well.
That's really
So they're
good.
pretty cool. We like the Rita one, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
Oh, that's a good one.
And I love the
I'm sure the Galactica one looks smaller than before. It's probably just the way it is.
Yeah.
But
Classic bear.
classic, though, we do like a bear, don't we? Are you
Gangster.
gangster granny as well? Oh, well, they've got a bit of everything, haven't they?
Yeah, they have.
Literally, I bet you got Domino's up there as well. All the games. You get your drinks and things as well in case you need it for your room and that.
Lots of sweets.
And sweets. Oh, wow. This is loads, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice little shop.
Cute.
So we have got here, Ev, as well. The coffee place. This is quite new, isn't it, for this season,
New
I
for
think.
this season, yeah.
So that's pretty cool. It serves Costa Coffee stuff.
Sandwiches. They've got some like little treats and things that you can get as well.
Yeah, it's just a nice little section, isn't it? Especially if you're stopping at the hotel, you're waiting for check-in, or you just want a brew before you go running around Alton Towers all day.
Yeah.
We're just going to have a little walk down. This is like the main section, would you, of the hotel?
But should we go to the arcade bit?
Oh, there's an arcade. We do like an arcade.
We do love an arcade. So they've got the big chair that you can have obviously pictures on.
Yeah, we do like the big chair, don't we?
Yeah.
I like some of the theming as well with the books and things.
A lot of the rooms are down there.
Yes, we have some down there and then corresponding side over there. Oh, sweets there. This is the arcade, and this is something, Ev.
I know, it's like a fortune teller.
It's £1 per play, but we never have cash on us, do we?
No, that's one thing I just don't carry.
Yeah, but please go to Splash Landings to redeem your prizes. So I'd say Splash Landings has got a bigger arcade.
Yeah.
Oh, you can get, yeah.
So you can get
I don't want
change.
£10 worth of pound
No.
coins. Just £1 worth of pound coins. That's what I want. But we like these though, don't we?
Yes.
We like these. They're good. Oh, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Oh, it doesn't seem to be turned on though. Hopefully they can get that on and working again. Get Guitar Hero 2 or 3 on there. Ooh. Daytona.
I like climbing things.
Yeah. You get some wins and things. Oh, we've got that as a Haribo. Haribo.
A little Haribo backpack.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Cute.
Isn't it? I like that.
But yeah, at least it
Yeah,
keeps the kids occupied,
yeah,
doesn't
for
it?
a few minutes, well, an hour maybe or
Yeah.
whatever, doing all the various things. I'd say there is a bigger one in Splash Landings, which
Yeah, that one's
you're more than
massive.
welcome to go across to if you're stopping in this one. So, yeah.
Yeah, and check out that video if you want to too.
One of the very special things about the Alton Towers Hotel is this here, the lift. So we'll go in. Right, so these are your floors, guys.
We've
Various
got
different
ground
things.
floor.
We do. But we got a themed tune. Got
And they're
13.
different every time.
Yeah, it's 13 that, isn't it? Very fitting, one of our favourite rides. We do really enjoy the 13. But this is the bottom floor where most of the action happens at the evening, isn't it?
Yeah. There's
Evening
a
entertainment.
secret bar there. It's the
There
captain's
is.
bar.
That's the captain's spot. It's very rarely open. You can see the thing there. But when it is, it's usually got a pretty short queue compared to the Dragon's Bar, which we'll show you in just a moment. But yeah, that's where they have the live entertainment in the evenings. There's quite a few clips of that. We'll pop one of those up. We should go outside, show the outside area. Well, that is a very nice view, Ev, isn't it?
Oh, it's beautiful.
We don't often come out here that often, do we, to be honest?
we don't.
We have a good adventure around. Inside there is the secret garden.
Yes, that restaurant is really, really nice. And it's not too expensive.
I don't think it's that expensive, and it's a more higher class restaurant, would you say?
Yeah, 100%.
We enjoyed it anyway. Make sure
Yeah.
you check out the video. And I got 4 burgers on that one,
Yeah,
so
you did.
that was a very special one. We also had a little walk around the grounds, would you say?
Yeah.
Of the Alton Towers Hotel. I suppose it's mixed in with CBBS.
It is.
It's a very nice lake, though.
Very nice.
There's a little play area there, Ev, as well.
Got a seesaw.
A seesaw,
Like a swingy thing.
climbing thing. That's pretty good, isn't it?
Ah.
Ah, very nice. A nice scenic walk around the grounds.
Yeah. And it's nice when this is all lit up at night.
Oh, it looks really good, doesn't it? Again, we'll see if we can show you that, guys. But we are at the bands we're doing here, Ev.
Oh, how cute is
We've
this?
never been in this, have we?
Oh, that is adorable.
Oh,
So at least you can come and sit down, get a drink from the bar, come sit down.
and yeah, taking the views. Yeah, I really like that. It's really cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, very pretty. Just continuing our walk, aren't we? Look what we've got. Some
Found the stepping stones.
So we've seen these on other people's videos and things, haven't we? We've never done them though.
Be careful not to
Oh, hey. I've got to get there now.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. I don't know, I feel a bit... it's like total wipeout. You've got to go for it, aren't you?
Yep, you do.
Hey! Oh, we did it, Ev, didn't we? The stepping stones. Oh, and all the ducks have come watch us. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Well, no, we really like the outdoor area here, don't we?
Yeah, it's really nice if you just want to come get a little bit of fresh air.
Yeah, and this seats over there, I don't know if you can see it, they've got little heat lamps.
Yeah,
So you can sit outside in the evening if it's just a little bit chillier.
you can pop them on.
Yeah, very nice. Right, shall we go check out the Bar of Dragons? And this is the Dragons Bar.
We like the Dragon's Bar.
Yeah, it's the standard place we come in the evenings, isn't it?
Yeah, and you get a discount on your drinks with your meal and annual pass.
Yes, you do. Make sure you do tell them about that.
Yes, and for summer only, in the Empress Suites, they've got a kids club
There's
thing.
a disco or something. There's a little
Yeah.
sign here. I mean, it points that way, but it's in there.
It's in there. When we were here a couple of weeks ago, they had the little door open, and yeah, the kids were loving it. They were having their own little disco in there.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good, to be honest. Because usually, as we say, we have the entertainment there and singing and dancing and things, but they were having a party in there, weren't they?
Literally a party.
I know, yeah, I want to go in there.
Me
I
too,
did.
but
We're not actually children, or just mentally children.
yeah.
Here we've got the Secret Garden Restaurant. We just showed you this from outside, haven't we?
Yeah, so you have your breakfast in there.
Yeah, standardly you can have your breakfast in there. You can book if you want to have your evening meal.
Yes.
So it's a very nice restaurant, as we say. Do check out the full video. We go into the menu and things. We really like it, don't we? Really nice little thing there.
Oh, it just flashed up
Oh.
with the...
And here we have got the menu, as we just said, but it's there you go. You can have a little pause there and have a look at that
But we have got a main video if you do want to check
if you
it
do
out.
want to check it out. But we have got this here, have. Create your own dapper names. What's your dapper name?
Mind Lindquist and then Eugene.
Lindquist Eugene. So what's mine, Ev?
Yours is Williston
Oh.
Granville.
Williston Granville.
That's not too bad.
Yeah, it's alright, we'll take that. Williston Granville and what was it?
Lindquist Eugene.
Nice. Right, so we've seen most of the downer section of the Alton Towers Hotel.
Yeah, we're going to go and have a look now at the conference centre, some of the outside of the rooms, and how you get to Swash Landings Hotel.
Yeah, so it's pretty much to the left as you've come in. You see there's the entrance there. There's Mick waiting for greets the people.
Yeah.
Hi Mick.
He's great, he is.
We love him, don't we?
Yeah.
And as I said, you do check-in and things there. But you can go through here and you can get to the Splash Landings Hotel, the Waterpark, and a few other bits.
You can.
Shall we have a go through?
Go on then.
So, we believe these are the Arctic Explorer rooms.
Yeah, bear rooms.
Bear rooms.
Yeah, they've got giant bears, haven't they?
They've got
polar bears.
Polar bears.
Yeah.
Oh, going through. So we were here on the Nemesis VIP one, weren't we?
Yeah.
We had to all queue here, didn't we?
Yeah, it's like a greenhouse in here.
Yeah, so we just followed the corridor down. It was mainly just rooms there, wasn't it? Seems to be the more themed rooms at higher levels, like suites, Coca-Cola rooms and things like that.
Yeah, they're all up.
They're all up to the top. Yeah. But we have made it down to the conference centre. So it's just to the right of the main hotel.
Yeah, this is where they have the panto when it's Christmas. So you go in there, you can get a drink at the bar, and then you go down the stairs, and there's a big massive room for the panto.
Yeah, it's really nice, but actual room itself, isn't it, to be honest, the conference centre. We really like it, to be honest. And I think they do various other bits here. We've seen dance troupes come and have shows. What was it, Aliens and Sci-Fi one weekend?
Yeah, because businesses can rent it out, can't they?
Yeah, I mean, I think anyone can, technically.
Yeah, I think you can, yeah.
So, like, if you work, if you want to do, like, your work things here,
that'd be cool.
People do. Yeah, it would be good, wouldn't it? My favourite one was that Science and Aliens one we saw. We were just in the hotel and there was, like, aliens going around. And we were like, what's going on? And we asked someone, they were like, oh, it's just a science con or something in here.
And it was really cool, actually, wasn't it?
Yeah, but I really like how towers do that. It'd be really good if they could use this venue for more things like that and kind of open it up so, like, we didn't know that was a thing.
No.
We're not part of that following. But if there was more things available, we'd come and do a con in here, wouldn't we?
Yeah, definitely.
Towers con.
Oh.
Yeah, Towers con.
Yeah.
Real bear con.
Bear con.
Bear con. And if we do continue past the conference centre, we're going to end up in Splash Landings, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
It's pretty well. It's kind of the reverse, roles reversed.
Yeah, and this is where the carpet changes.
Yeah, it is. Look, so we're in Towers. Now we're in Splat. Oh, we're converting. There's a crapper.
Sand. Oh, is it going for your toes?
Oh, no, I've got my shoes on. It's all right. Oh, didn't step on the starfish. Moving on that. And here's the Waterpark. It's pretty cool, actually, isn't it?
It is really cool.
But if you have watched the Splash Landings video, you know this walkway, the filming ceases here. No filming, photography or anything like that around the Waterpark. It's only fair, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
But we'll catch you on the other side. And we've made it to the other side, haven't we?
We have indeed.
And conveniently placed to the arcade just there that we discussed earlier on. You can get your prizes there as well.
You can.
Yeah, so that was pretty much most of the Alton Towers. Everything you need to know? I'd say so. Well, that's our guided tour of the Alton Towers Hotel, ending up in Splash Landings.
Yeah.
Hopefully we've shown you a few bits for when you stay at the hotel. Little bits they're about. There's quite a lot in the hotel, to be fair, isn't there?
There is. Let us know in the comments if you stayed. If you have, what's your favourite thing?
Yeah, what do you like about the hotel? But if you've liked this video, guys, leave a like, subscribe. See you soon.